Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to secure your LG Smart TV for privacy and remove the advertising pushed by LG. If you've also downloaded a lot of apps onto your TV, you may want to check out the video I'll leave in the description. You'll be surprised. So there are two main areas where these settings are clustered. Let's start with the first one. We'll press and hold the settings button. This brings up the main menu. Then we go to General, across and down to System, then across and additional settings, just here. Go across again, and here we have the first hub. First off, we'll go to Home Settings, go across here, go down to Home Promotion, turn that off, down to Content Recommendation, turn that off also. We'll go back, come down the list to Screensaver Settings, across, Screensaver Promotion, we'll turn that off. We go back again, and we go down to Live Plus, which is probably the most important one you want to turn off. This basically allows LG to capture screenshots of what you're watching or projecting onto your TV. If you don't see this, it may be because you haven't enabled the terms and conditions for it, which is fine. But if you do see this, toggle it off. Now we'll go to the second location. So we'll go back, back, and back. We'll go down to Support, then across and down to the bottom where you'll see Privacy and Terms. Go across here. We'll click into User Agreements. Mine is currently in a foreign language, however, I'll overlay this. Basically, you only need the first two to be enabled to have normal functionality on the TV. The third option allows LG to capture the screen. We saw that a little bit earlier with Live Plus. The fourth option is if you want to use voice control on the TV. So again, that's optional, and you don't need to agree to the last two. So simply untick all but the first two for top security. It will cause the TV to restart. Right, let's go back to that section. We'll just tap the settings button in this quick menu, go down to the bottom, to the right, Privacy and Terms. We go across to User Agreements. This time we go down, down, down to Advertisement. We can reset the ID and turn on Limit Ad Tracking. We go back, we go to App Permissions, across, and here we can check if an app has access to a camera. Mine doesn't. To the microphone, none there. Nearby devices, same again. If any of yours do, you can toggle those off. Next, we have delete my personal information, delete the viewing and voice information collected from the device. Click here, delete viewing information, delete, delete request, delete voice information, delete voice ID. And with that done, that now secures your LG TV for privacy and also prevents the unnecessary advertising from appearing on your TV. Hope that's been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.